Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Discover bank account easy access step by step clearly. To log into your Discover bank account, start by opening your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for Discover Bank's official website. Once the page loads, look for the login button at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button to proceed to the login screen. You will see two fields on the login page. In the first field, enter your user ID. Make sure to double-check your user ID for any typos. In the second field, enter your password. It's important to enter your password accurately, as it is case-sensitive. If you would like the option to stay logged in, check the box labeled Remember Me. This option is useful if you are using a personal device. If you've forgotten your user ID or password, click on the corresponding link for assistance. After entering your credentials, click the Login button. Wait a moment as the system processes your login information. Once logged in, you will be directed to your account overview. From there, you can access various banking features. If you encounter any issues, recheck your user ID and password for accuracy. If problems persist, consider contacting Discover Bank's customer service for support. Following these steps should provide you with easy access to your Discover bank account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.